Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to use all 5 pre-clean programs on THERMOMIX TM6. Your THERMOMIX can automatically pre-clean your mixing bowl by going to the modes on the right side, then finding pre-clean. Now remember that is pre-clean and not clean, so after that you'll need to clean the device manually anyway. By the way, there's a video on how to disassemble the device and clean it manually or put it in a dishwasher. Now it tells you that you should pour a maximum of 1 liter water and a little drop of washing up liquid or 50 grams of vinegar in the mixing bowl, and THERMOMIX will pre-clean itself. Now you should use the measuring cup on top of the lid. You should attach the measuring cup to the lid. I'll do it right now. Now I'll close it, and then we have the different kinds of pre-cleaning modes. So you can just adjust your knob to the position that is corresponding to what you were doing with your device. If you want a quick one, it will do a quick one. You can do a dough one and stuff like that, but once you select it, it will just start doing it. So yeah, you just kind of need to move quickly with the dial. Let's do maybe fat or caramel. As you can see, that one was 2 minutes, that one is 8 minutes. It's also, I think, heating it up a little bit, heating up the water. So yeah, that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.